Let's start the day with the cabin air filter. So open the glove box, push in the sides. These things right here are what's holding it. There's one on each side. Make sure that your glove box is empty. And you have tabs on each side. And there's your cabin air filter. So carefully grab it. And this one's pretty clean, but it's obviously still dirty. Okay, here's the old one. Here's the new one. Make sure that your airflow arrow is pointed down when you're inserting it into the box. Okay, filter's in there. Grab your cover, follow the up arrow, just push it into place until it clicks. Now just push those feet in on those stoppers. Apparently this side needs going first, and then that side, and then you're all set. Refill your glove box and you're done with the air filter.